Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope all are fine. First, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is control and coordination. First, we will understand control and coordination in plants and control and coordination in animals. First, let us move to the control and coordination in plants. Dear students, the control and coordination in plants is controlled by phytohormones and plant movements. First, we will move to plant movements, then we will move to phytohormones. These are the changes in a position of a plant caused by some external factors or environmental changes. These are the changes that occur in the parts of a plant, and these will be caused by the external factors or the changes in the environment, my dear students. These changes are known as stimulus. Very important. These changes are known as stimulus. What is a stimulus? These are the changes caused by some external factors or environmental changes. Now, these plant movements are of two types, that is tropic movements and nestic movements. Plant movements are of two types, tropic movements, nestic movements or nesties. Tropic movements, these are directional movements, means direction is involved, where a specific part of plant will show response towards the stimulus. See, I told you that the plant movements are the movements or the changes in the position of a plant. So, the tropic movements, these involve the directional of the plants. These involve unidirectional. These are unidirectional or unilateral directional. So, what do? They are the directional movements in which a specific part of plant is attracted. The specific part of plant is attracted to what? Stimulus. Now, if the movement of plant is towards a stimulus, it's called positive tropism. And if it's away from like this, I will give an example of here. Wait 1 second. See, if it is a plant, we'll try a plant like this. It's a plant, okay? This plant will grow because of sunlight, for example. Okay, my dear students, it will grow because of the sunlight. If it attracts towards the sun, it's called positive tropism. Or if it goes away from the sun, that is the negative tropism. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Now we will be understanding the types of the tropic movements. My dear students, there are many types of tropic movements. In 10th class syllabus, there are only 4 types of tropic movements, but we will be going through 9 tropic movements. Phototropism. Phototropism is that a tropic movement in which the stimulus is light. Means phototropism is that type of plant movement in which the stimulus is light. Then geotropism, the stimulus is gravity. Chemotropism, some chemicals. I hope you have studied the reproduction in animals. That is the 4th chapter, I believe, in 4th chapter. That is the reproduction in animals. You must have learned that something about chemical, that is GABA, that the growth of pollen tube towards the ovule in the ovary is example of the chemotropism. Now, hydrotropism, when the stimulus is water. Thermotropism, when the stimulus is temperature. Geomagnetotropism, magnetic force. Chromotropism, that is any wound. Electrotropism, electricity. And aerotropism, it's oxygen. Now we will give examples of some of the movements, of tropic movements. First, we will be giving the example. It's the bending of stem due to the light. We can show the roots of plant move away from the light. It's called negative tropism. Or the stem of growing plant moves towards light. It's known as positive tropism. If we'll give example of geotropism, like the bending of roots, the bending of roots, that when the roots of a plant move downwards in the direction of gravity. We talk about chemotropism, that growth of pollen tube towards the ovule is example of the chemotropism. Now, if hydrotropism, the example is bending of roots of plant towards water. Now, we will be moving towards nastic movements. These movements are those movements in which direction of movement is not determined by the direction of stimulus. These are directional movements, but these are not directional movements. There are also induced movements, the types of induced movements. The movement of plant is irrespective to the direction of stimulus, respectively. There are 4 types of the nastic movements. Photonastic movements, when the stimulus is light, but non-directional movements. Non-directional movement in response to the touch, like Mimosa parvina, that is the Chui Mui in Hindi, and Touch Me Not plant in English. Thermonastic movements, the non-directional movements, response to the temperature. Nystenistic movements in response to the turgor chains, again non-directional movements. Now we will differentiate between tropic and nastic movements. We will be using parameter, we'll be using tropic movement, and we will talk about nastic movement. Parameter is direction. Means is direction involved or not. Tropic movements, these are directional movements of the parts of a plant in response to specific stimulus. We talk about that. These are not directional movements, these are non-directional movements. These movements are neither towards or away from the stimulus. Now, of course, if they are the directional movements which are in response, which attract towards, which goes towards, shows response towards the stimulus, now there may be a cause. The cause for this is these are plant movements, but of curvature. These are caused by the unilateral growth. When like that, if one side of the organ of one side of the plant grows faster than the other, it causes curvature. Like that, I will give example. See, if it's again a plant, this part and it's another part. This grows faster, and this is like that. I'm giving some. This is small. This goes faster than this. This organ grows faster than this. It causes curvature. क्योंकि ये पहले ग्रो होता है, ज़्यादा पहले होता है, और ये उसके बाद में होता है. That is curvature. Means unilateral growth is the cause. Now, the cause of the nastic movements is that variations in environmental conditions. The variations, you know what is a variation? That the differences in the characters of parents and offspring is called variation. We learn it in genetics and heredity. There are 2 types of variation, that's somatic and gametic. We learn it in genetics and heredity. So there are also moments of curvature, but these occur due to some turgor change, some variations, right? Let's give examples. Bending of stem towards light. When if there is no light, then the stem gets bent, and downward growth of roots in response to gravity. Geotropism and phototropism example. We talked about folding and dropping of leaves of Mimosa parvina plant in response to Chui Mui plant. You know, Chui Mui plant, the folding and dropping of leaves. It has compound leaves, right? It says compound leaves. So this was all about plant movements. From now tomorrow, we will be talking about the growth promoters and growth inhibitors. That means we'll be talking about phytohormones. Then we will move to neurons or nerve cells. Thank you for your support. Please cooperate. Thank you.